Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing login lockout issues on your Apple Watch, follow this quick guide to regain access and resolve authentication problems. Step 1. Understand that login lockouts on Apple Watch typically occur after multiple incorrect passcode attempts or connection issues with your paired iPhone. Step 2. First, check if your Apple Watch is still connected to your iPhone by swiping up on the watch face to see Control Center. A disconnected icon indicates pairing issues. Step 3. If you've forgotten your Apple Watch passcode, you'll need to unpair and reset the watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap on All Watches at the top of the screen. Then tap the information icon next to the watch you want to unpair. Step 5. Tap Unpair Apple Watch and confirm your choice. This will erase all content and settings from your Apple Watch. Step 6. If you can't access the Watch app, you can erase your Apple Watch directly on the device. Press and hold the side button until you see the power off slider. Step 7. Force press the power off slider, then tap Erase all content and settings. Step 8. After erasing, pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone again by bringing them close together and following the on-screen setup instructions. Step 9. Restore from a backup if you had one, or set up as new and create a new passcode you'll remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.